Hey, welcome my scrapping friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today is a final review of my Great Escapes travel folio. All right. Now, this folio is a huge folio. I'm guessing, which I state 125, but I'm guessing this thing is probably going to hold well over 150 photos. Well over. And I haven't, taken the time to figure out how many, but I will do that someday. Now, I did decorate this album with the Simple Stories Great Escapes paper line, and beautiful, beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, it's one of my all-time favorites now. And I can't wait to make some 12 by 12 layouts and some cards with my scraps that I have left over. When I do that, I will probably post those videos here on YouTube for you, so that way if you would like to make the same thing, you can. Okay. All right. So go grab your tutorial on my website, scrappingitupwithnog.com. If you're interested in this, I have it up in my store right now. All right. All right. This album measures 10 by 11. And look at this, guys. Look at this. And I did increase the spine over here for you. Okay. So it's got plenty of room. I did make it out of Kraft-tex. And I have a little bit of a different closure here. I wanted something different. And you just untie it, and then you just take it out from underneath these bands here. And that's what helps keep it closed, okay? So there's the back of it. All right. So this side opens up here, and we have a little belly band here with a little booklet. And I just made some journaling lines so you could journal about what all these pictures are about. And I left these blank because I want pictures in here, not, the paper. Okay. And you just flip that, and you can put pictures here. And the same thing over here, guys. Okay. And it just flips right underneath there. Okay. I know this is going to be very hard to keep on camera. Very hard. So let's look at this side real quick here first. Had to move my tea. I'll knock my iced tea over. That wouldn't be good. So we have a pocket here with a booklet. And you get 4 different booklets with this album too. So this opens up, and we have a flap and a flap. And then we have this aspect here, which is a pocket. Okay. And the pocket flips. And then we have a nice big flap here. And then that. Okay. And then that just slides right back into this pocket. And then this opens up. Let me scoot it over some more. And then we have a belly band here. And I had this underneath of it. But I don't know if that's, I think it's going to be too bulky. So what you may do is make another one of these and put this underneath here instead of this one. But you still get the design of the tutorial how to make this. Okay, but I'll show you it. So here you have a pocket, and you have a pocket here, and then that opens up, and then you have a waterfall right here. Got to take off one of my stickers. Okay. But I think it's almost too bulky to put here. So I would suggest not using this, and to use this one here too, okay? That would be my suggestion. Totally up to you. Okay. So then we have these that flip out here. Oh, I just love this paper. Love it, love it. Simple Stories really outdone themselves with this collection. And then we have this here. And I didn't decorate any of these up because I want to save them for photos and journaling. Okay. So we have a pocket right here. Then that flips down, and I know it's hard to get on camera. Then this one here, it has your photo mats in it too. And again, I left those blank. And we have another one here with photo mats for that. So you could journal here, put a couple of pictures, totally up to you. So that is that section. So let's go to the middle. Wait, there's more than 4 books. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's, yeah, 5 different books. And then of one book, you get 3 different sizes. So really, in total, you get 7 booklets with this tutorial. Okay, so this flips out. Then we have our little booklet here. You have a pocket here. And I didn't want to embellish. I want to save them for, again, for the photos. This opens. You have a flap here, a flap here, and then these flap out. I hope you guys will purchase this tutorial. This album really is a fabulous folio. It really is. You know, and this was my all-time favorite. But I don't know, that recipe folio that we've been working on, if you haven't seen the recipe file that we've been doing, go check that out, guys, because I almost like it better than I do this one. This one here, when I first done it, I was like, oh, my favorite. But I think the recipe one is my favorite now. And then this was some of the banner stickers that I just cut apart and backed them. My fussy cutting is nothing fancy, guys. And then this opens up for that. And you have a belly band right here. I need to figure out how many pictures this album will hold, because I bet she's going to hold a bunch. So here is the same booklet as this one, but it's bigger. And then this booklet here is bigger, okay? So here's some photo mats. And they just slip right back inside here. And they're made exactly the same. They have a flip out here. They have a flip here. And then you have these that flip out here. All right. Now I did put these, if you are a part of my Small Wonder Booklet tutorial, I did put all these inside of there. Okay. So if you're interested in my Small Wonders Booklet tutorial, whenever I do little booklets for any album, and I need to be backing up and catching some of these other ones that I've done and get them in there, it's a tutorial that I will just, every time that I do a little booklet, I will be throwing it in there. So go check it out, guys. Okay. So yeah, anytime I do a small booklet for an album, I will be throwing it inside of my Small Wonder little booklets. And if you make an album, you can go right in there and choose you whatever type of booklets that you want. So then we have a pocket here. And this album just keeps on going and going. About like my recipe album. And then these flip. And then these flip out. Oh, this paper is just, amazing. Then we have this pull out. Excuse me, guys. So you have a pocket here. It'll be interesting how many photos this thing will hold. Oops. Then that, and then you have this. Then these flip out like that. Pretty neat. And then they just slide right back into this pocket here. Like that. Then we have this. That turned out beautiful. I love that. And then that. Fun times. And then this opens. And then we have a nice slanted pocket here for some photo mats. Okay. Now I didn't put no booklet back here because it was going to make it way too chunky. So I just stuck some photo mats. Then I have a little insertion place here to where I kind of built it up to where it allows you to stick some cards in there, some little tags. All right, that is my Great Escapes folio. I hope that you will go check it out. Purchase a tutorial if you would like to learn how to make this. Go to scrappinitup.com and grab your tutorial. And like I said, it has 7 different booklets. Or you can go to purchase my Small Wonder booklets and always get updated when I, like say my next album is a recipe album. We're doing a little booklet in there. I will be shoving that into that tutorial, to the Small Wonder tutorial, and it's like a gift that just keeps on giving and giving. Okay, so go check it out, guys. And if you haven't seen my recipe album yet, go check that out. It's #2 recipe album. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. We will be talking to you guys later. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.